Hi, so here I'm going to show how we can connect FB and IG. We have created a trial page just to show that how we can connect this. So here I'm on the page. So you can see her settings, right? You can click the settings from here. Once the page appears, here is linked accounts. So here is the option of Instagram and here is an option of WhatsApp. So right now we want to connect Instagram. So here I'll click connect account and then connect. Yes, we'll have to allow this, right? Allow access to Instagram message and inbox, right? So I'll do it confirm. Then another window will appear like this that will require the logins. Here I'll put the logins of the Instagram account, like IG account. So email and password, and then I'll do login. Once I'll do login to it, it will tell me to save the logins. Either I will save it or not. That's up to me. So the pages will be connected like this. This is the last step. So I'm not gonna do any connections just to show that how we can do this. So it's all about how we can do this. I hope it's easy for you to understand.